I think under Dr. Villa's leadership, we'll have an opportunity to really train students and mentor them in a way that will be beneficial to them.
What I really want to do as dean is not so much change what we're doing already, but facilitate what faculty are already doing in this regard, and also look at ways in which we can expand this.
Because we're small, our classrooms are small, which means the students get a very one-on-one experience inside the classroom. There's a rapport there that usually doesn't exist in bigger universities where you have 300 students and one professor. And I think that's a huge and very important aspect of the Lynn University experience.
That interaction allows us to do something very different than other schools do. It's a very unique way of approaching education, where students get to see a lot of different things without having to double major or do things like that, so that they're spread out all over the place.
One of our sort of larger programs is the psychology program. And in this program, we really emphasize experiential learning, and we start that by, for all freshmen, requiring a class called Orientation to the Study of Psychology. And what makes this course unique is that it really gives them an opportunity to refine and define their career goals early in their curriculum, so that they have an opportunity to continue to work on them for the next 4 years.
So one of the most engaging classes that I teach is in microbiology. It's the laboratory class, and they can apply that outside the classroom in research setting, or if they wanted to work in industry. So every student has to work, every student gets their hands dirty, and it's a fun class.
The College of Arts and Sciences, we have this great amount of diversity. We have a lot of programs, but at the same time we have kind of a unifying philosophy of getting students involved in what it is that we do professionally as academics. So in biology, for example, and in the other sciences as well, we're getting students involved with hands-on research, even outside of the classroom. We have opportunities for students to work with professors, to do real research, the same kind of work that they would do at the graduate level or even the postgraduate level.
The liberal arts degree provides you with opportunity to get a broad, varied education. You can take those skills that you learn and apply them, whether it's in business or in academia or after graduate school, next professional school. Whatever it is, you can take those skills.
But a lot of our faculty are actually coming off of industry jobs, the kinds of jobs that a lot of our students will be seeking. And what this means is that they've really had a recent and first-hand look at what it means to be on the job market, what it means to be working in this specific field. And they're very much able to give our students an in-depth and sort of modernized look at what it means to be in these jobs.
I've had students who've gone on to earn degrees in public health, are in medical school right now, physical therapy school, physician's assistants. We also have one who's right now we're earning her master's in environmental science. So a broad range.
We get to introduce them to their new field of study, what it is, hopefully, that's going to shape the rest of their life.